Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to perform paired samples t-test in JAMOVI and its interpretation. You can find more videos on JAMOVI, SPSS, RStudio, MS Excel, statistics, econometrics and mathematical economics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with this data set. So suppose I have the data set on 20 observations and their depression level before yoga training and after yoga training. So that means we are collecting the data from the same observation at two different time points, before yoga training and after yoga training, and therefore we can use the paired samples t-test. So what is our null hypothesis? The null hypothesis says that there is no significant difference in the depression level before and after yoga training. So let's check. So first go to analysis. In analysis, we have the option of t-test, and in t-tests, we have the option of paired samples t-test. So click on it. So now we need to move these two variables into this box, paired variables box. So select before and after and move them to paired variables box. Then select mean difference, effect size, descriptives and normality test, because we need to check whether our data is normally distributed or not. So here you can see the result of normality test. Associated p-value is greater than 0.05. That means we fail to reject the null hypothesis and we conclude that our data is normally distributed. So this data is normally distributed, and therefore we can use paired samples t-test. Here we have the mean difference. You can see the mean before yoga training is 36, mean of depression level, and after yoga training is 26.3. Now we are interested to know whether this difference is statistically significant or not. So how do we find it? Here we have the t statistic, that is 1.83, and associated p-value is 0.083. This value is 0.083 and this is greater than 0.05. Now since this value is greater than 0.05, we conclude that the difference between the difference before yoga training and after yoga training in terms of depression level is not significantly different from each other. So that is the idea of paired samples t-test. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.